Lives Vibe fans.
There's only like one.
Shut up. I'm Emmy.
I'm Beanie.
And this is Lives Vibes. So, today we're going to do the challenge, What's Inside My Mouth. We're going to use this to blindfold each other and then a hair tie because, you know, we didn't have a bandana. So, we're going to be using this and we're going to do 5 items to stick in each other's mouth. So, let's get started. Who's going first?
Ow. You put the stuff in my mouth first.
Okay. Take off your special flower power.
Look at it. It's special.
It's special.
Ow.
Can you see through it?
No. But please don't stick anything.
I'm not going to.
I'll mess up my hair.
Yep. It's almost done. Okay.
Oh God. Do you have 5 things in mind, or are you just gonna randomly do it?
I've got a couple things in mind. Okay.
I know what it is.
What?
It's the bar. Okay, you gotta go do it again.
Okay, ready? Open up your mouth.
Oh. Well,
do you have any guess?
Wait. I think it's a tool of some sort, right?
Yeah, I can't give you guesses.
I think it's. Oh, you almost knocked my tooth out.
Open your mouth. Here. Feel this side. Here. Here you go. There's this thing.
I don't know.
Here you go. Look it. Go ahead.
I'm not looking at it. You don't know what's been on there.
Do you not know?
No.
It was a mini flashlight.
Shit, I should have known that.
Okay, next item. This one's easy, I promise. When I'm doing this, I'm showing them what it is before I stick it in your mouth. Open.
Well, I hope. Wait, is it the Wii remote?
No.
It's not?
No.
What?
Sorry.
Oh, it's the remote control.
No.
It's not?
No. Feel it.
What the hell? How is this not a remote?
It's not.
I feel the buttons and everything.
I know, it's not a remote. I promise. I don't know how else. Here, feel the back. I'm just kind of like.
I think these are supposed to be food items you put in your mouth.
No, that's taste test.
I think it's a remote.
No, do you give them?
Yeah.
It's a phone. It's your
Oh.
house phone. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
You positive?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you ready?
Oh, I know what that is. It's the thing to open the mail.
Yep. Envelope opener. You've gotten 1 out of 3 things correct. Alright, ready for your next?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
This seems so dirty.
I just choked my gum. Okay.
What the hell? Wait.
I don't even know. This works. I'm sorry.
Oh, wait.
I saw you tongue it.
I don't even know. Is it? Oh my god.
Here, there's this thing to it too.
Oh, it's the Wii remote.
No.
Yeah, it
It
is.
is a lot smaller than that. Here, I'll show you. That's. You almost made me drop it. You should see your face.
Isn't it electronic?
I can't tell you.
Is it? It better not be that damn flashlight again.
No, it's not. You can't use two things the same.
I know, still. What is it?
It's a camera.
Oh, shit, I should have guessed that. Okay.
So you got 2 out of 3 right. So I did bad. Here, get this off of me. Your hair's stuck in it. It's not really stuck. Considering I'm just pulling in.
Ow.
Wait, there's still the hair tie in your hair
Oh
crap.
my god.
I don't think this is coming out. I'm gonna pee.
What? What? She has to pee. I gotta work on getting this thing out. But anyways, I would like to thank you guys for watching. Even though we only have one fan, or one person who subscribed to us, we're very thankful for that fan. And I'm just kind of talking here because she has to pee. She'll probably edit this out though. And I promise, as soon as we get more fans, you guys can request on stuff we do. And sorry guys. Oh my god. It's like stuck. Oh my god. What should I put in her mouth? I'm trying to think of what I should fit in her goddamn mouth. Oh. I guess I'll tell you a bit about me. Oh wait, no, she's coming out.
Ow, did you get it out?
No?
Alright, you ready to lose some hair?
I guess. Hey, let's tell them about ourselves.
Okay, have
Okay,
fun.
so I'm Beanie, and
You all know her. The one and only.
this is really embarrassing, but
You're welcome.
I feel like we shouldn't edit it out because that takes too much time.
It does.
And, my favorite color is purple.
Duh.
I'm a huge animal lover.
Whatevs.
I used to be a huge... No, I said that wrong. I used to be an orange belt in karate. I want to produce movies when I get older, so I'm a huge movie lover.
She goes to the theater at least every week.
Yeah, I do. I go to the movies every week. What else? I'm really good at air hockey. I probably could beat you.
Most likely. Unless you're a champ.
I am a champ.
Do you want me to just cut this hair tie?
Sure. Because it's not coming out.
No, it ain't.
I love One Direction. I'm going to their concert in
I'm coming
like a
with.
month. Hopefully we have a lot more people watching by then.
Hopefully, you should be like, we are going to. I'm sorry, guys.
This was not supposed to happen.
No, it wasn't.
This is really embarrassing.
Got it.
Okay.
Maybe. Never mind.
Oh God.
I'm pulling your hair. Got it.
Oh. Okay, yay, we got it out. It's like.
Your hair is all messed up.
Okay, I'm gonna tell a story. So one time.
I'm gonna get another hair time.
So one time, we were in PE, and we were doing Charbade, which if you don't know what that is, you sit on your stomach, and you ride a scooter while you're on your stomach. And our PE teacher warned us that we have to pull our hair back or else we'll get a 0 for the day. But this one girl, she didn't pull back her hair. She got stuck in the wheel of the scooter, and we had to cut it out. It was really funny. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Like, I know it's bad, but she's like started crying, and it was really funny. I felt bad though because she was like, "My mom's gonna find out. My mom's gonna find out," and we're like, "Just don't."
You can't use any of my items, by the way.
I know that. I know how to play.
Okay, so now it's my turn. I can do it myself.
Okay.
I don't trust her.
She doesn't trust me with anything.
I really don't. Alright, are you ready to stick things in my mouth?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I hate not being able to see.
Okay.
And let me just take my gum out. One sec, don't do anything because I'm going to place this down somewhere. I have to see where I'm placing it. There we go, that works.
Okay. Let me find something.
Now,
I'm sticking that in her mouth. You can't see, can you?
that'd be cheating. Don't hurt me though.
I'm not gonna hurt you. Fuck. Okay. I only got to open up your damn mouth. Only that open. I did, but you didn't open up your mouth wide enough. Now open up your mouth because your fans are gonna stop watching this. Emily, I'm serious. I didn't do that with you. Please stop. It's not bad.
Oh my god.
It's not what you think it is.
I knew it wasn't bad.
Do you need this?
Let me feel all of it.
Okay. Don't put your hands down.
Yes, ma'am. Oh. It tastes. Oh, it's that soap thing. Ew.
Yeah.
That tasted. Oh, good. Is that why it tasted like soap?
Probably.
Oh my god. Well, I got one right. She got 2 right. I've gotten 1 so far. I think I'm gonna beat you.
Probably.
Probably. I always win.
Don't be conceited.
Oh, what?
I forgot to show them.
It doesn't taste good. Oh.
Well, none of the stuff you put in my mouth tasted good. You give up?
No, put it like, make sure it's like.
It's also got this.
Oh. I'm using my. You have to move it around.
I did. I know how to play, Emily.
Oh. Is it like a keychain type thing?
Yeah,
like the
kind of.
hooky keychain thing?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
The hook keychain thingy.
Okay, now let me go find something else.
2. To 2. I don't even know if my hands are pointed at the screen. I'm so scared that you're going to shove something I don't want in my throat. Down my throat.
Oh, I got something.
Oh, God. Help me now.
Don't look.
I'm fixing it. It was kind of
Okay.
down. Oh, you're not eating anything gross.
It's not gross.
No.
Don't act like you're gonna eat it.
Wait, I'm gonna. I don't like the taste of it.
Me either.
You shoved it in your. Okay.
I would let you taste the other side, but unfortunately, I can't because I don't think you would want me to.
Is it a broom?
No.
More to it. I want more of it.
That's what she said. I can't let you feel the other side though,
Why?
because there's some fuzz on it.
Oh. There's fuzz on the L.
Do you give up?
No, I wanted to. I know there's a handle to it, and there's fuzz, and it makes that kind of noise.
No, actually, I accidentally hit it against the camera.
I don't know. What is it?
I don't know if you've seen it in our house before, but you put a ball in it and you throw it.
Oh, gross.
You got one wrong.
Yeah, I'm still in the lead, I think. Wait, how many have we done? 3?
Yeah.
We're tied then.
I gotta make this extra tricky.
You better not. I better have seen it before, you know. Gum.
I got something.
Where's my glasses? They're there. Oh.
Okay, I think I have something.
Nothing gross.
Like what?
Nothing like you wouldn't want to be put in your mouth, you know?
True.
What was your first thing?
What do you mean?
Like, you said you'd go switch it because you didn't want it in your mouth, or that's what I got.
Oh, I'll tell you later.
Okay, was it a flip-flop?
Maybe.
I'm
Okay.
scared.
Wait, I'm gonna go change it. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh my god.
Because I think you know that too much.
Was it a remote?
No.
Man. Oh, okay. Was it a hairbrush?
No.
Where's my water? Ow. I don't want to like accidentally spill it. You know what? I think it's on the counter. Alright. A little about myself, you guys.
Okay, I'm ready.
Never mind.
Don't look.
Oh!
Okay, let me show them first.
Please don't be anything gross.
It's not gross.
Oh! It tastes weird. Oh. Is it lotion?
Nope.
Is it some on my eye? Okay, is it something you would have? It's something you would have in a bathroom.
I can't give you any hints.
Well, I'm saying out loud. I'm thinking out loud. Oh. Is it toothpaste?
Nope.
Wait.
Now keep that in there for the rest of the night.
It's something like toothpaste.
It is.
I know what it is. Oh. It's like toothpaste.
Don't do that.
What?
Your mouth was open and like for like 5 seconds.
Put it back in my mouth.
I'm sorry. Okay, you're not a dinosaur.
You don't
Do you
know
give
that? No, I gotta figure this out.
Emily, face towards the camera. All I can see is your shoulder.
Good. Oh. I open it. Can I pick it up and put it in my mouth?
No.
Well,
I didn't do that to you. And there's like spit all over. Okay, give up soon because seriously, people are gonna get bored and not watch it.
1 sec. I got this. Oh. Is it okay if I like?
You want me to squeeze them in your mouth? No.
Okay, I give up. What was it?
Fluoride.
How am I supposed to know that? I don't use that.
That's too bad.
It's like I gotta find my way to the sink.
Okay, guys. The second, or the last thing, not the second, oh my god, is this.
I can't see. I'm like an old lady. Oh.
Now sit down.
I'm trying to make it there without.
I bet you people are going to exit our video before we finish this.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh my god. Are you okay? Okay. Open it bigger. I promise I won't jab you again. I promise. I promise I won't jab you. But it's small, so don't do that. Or else you'll swallow it.
Well, here, I turn it. Better not be like. No, it's not going to be a toothbrush. Oh. I can't pick it up.
You got two things wrong. Like you guessed two things.
Oh, I touched it. Put it in my mouth. I can't do
Guys, this is gross.
Why are you laughing?
Because your mouth. Oh my god, people just see my boob.
Oh.
Okay, do you give up?
Yeah, sure.
It was a travel toothbrush.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna take this off because it's starting to bug my eyes. Now, oh, it was a toothbrush. Okay, I was like, it's not gonna be a tooth.
See, look at the ball thing.
Ew.
I'm pretty sure you don't want that in your mouth.
Ew.
So,
We had a tie.
no, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't. You lost because you gave up that, and shit. What's the other thing?
Yeah, you got 2 right and
This-
I got 2 right.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Because you got this. No, yeah, you got
Oh
this.
yeah,
one,
it's a
so-
tie. It's a
no.
tie.
Yeah, it's
We
a
got a
tie.
tie.
So, if you guys want us to have a rematch, oh goodness, look, no, I'm kidding. If you guys want us to have a rematch, just leave a comment down below.
Or a comment on what we could do better.
Yeah, or what you guys want us to do next. Click that subscribe button, click that like button, and
See you next time.
remember, lives, vibes. Oh, and one more thing. Go get yours.
Oh,
Okay, I'll get it. Bye. Okay.
you look like a pirate.
Which one do you guys like better? A, this is for our channel, and this is A, or B. We're not saying who made one each of them because we kind of both did it together.
Yeah.
So we just want to know which one you guys like better. And A, B, comment down below which one you like better. And if someone says A, just click that like button if you like A. And if someone says B, just click a like or reply or something. I don't know. Make it easy on us. Just make it easy on us. And thank you all for watching. I'm Emmy.
I'm Beanie.
And this is Lives Vibes.